Hello friends, taking a stab at this underconsumption core, but sewing edition. I received almost all this thread from Orville when I was an ambassador in 2019, and the shelf is an upside down spice rack that my dad made when he was in high school in 1965. Bolts of fabric that I received during my time as an ambassador for Japex fabric. Most of it is Tula Pink. I use smaller pieces of fabric so I get more than one project out of one cut of fabric. And of course, no scrap is left behind. I keep all my scraps neatly tied up in a little basket under my desk. And the best part for last, I use a sewing machine that was sent to me by Janome Sewing Machines when I became an ambassador. Look at that startup. Isn't that fun?